Am I hanging on too tight?
What it is, guys, Bobadi Adventures here. Today, let's make a little something to eat. Something real good that you can make in your house. And the best of all, healthy. Yes, because it's good for you, your body, your soul, your mind, and it tastes perfect. Vámonos. Yes, it is rice with chicken hot dogs and fries. Let's wait until it's done. The chicken hot dog is done. Then I'm gonna chop it off and throw it in the rice. Get the fries ready, cooked to be munched. Well, that was great, so delicious, and as you notice, it was a little bit more than what I normally start eating. That way it helps me to lose weight quickly. I do a little bit of exercise here and there, not that much, but eating less than what you normally do, it helps you a lot. So I'm gonna show you in the next video how much I lost weight just by eating once or twice in a day and just a little bit and not too heavy on grease. So till the next time I see you, then stay tuned, eat healthy, do some exercise, and feel good. And remember, keep dreaming. Dreams comes true. I guarantee you that. I promise. Hasta luego. I'll be back.